This is Valentina. This is day 2 that I have my birds. So she's just getting used to me holding her. It's not too bad, but she's not real crazy about it. Valentina, say hi. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. She's a pretty girl. I'll show you her whole little body. She has blue on her and green and the little peachy red face. And there's Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. You want Valentina back? Huh? You want Valentina? I can't even open the cage. Ugh. Hi. Here, go see Romeo. Romeo, do you want out? This is going to take a while. There's Avalanche being nosy. Avalanche, what is that? What is that? The brother and sister bird? Is that Romeo and Valentina? Say hi. Say hi. Okay, let's try to get him, then he'll make noise. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll get him and then we'll come.